Terminating your removable pool fence in a block wall or an exterior home wall is not an issue, but what if you have a weak wooden fence, or a vinyl fence that could flex, or a facade stone wall that could dislodge under tension? The answer to this issue is a round termination post, also known as RTP. To install an RTP, you first have to dig a hole, keeping in mind that the RTP sleeve is 21.5 inches long. While digging, always be aware of irrigation lines, and you can see we have landscape lighting wire to work around. Our installer also discovered a cement footer that he had to drill through. Next, he will hammer the RTP sleeve into the ground as close as possible to the existing barrier. He will then hammer in the PVC sleeve for the fence, 2.5 inches on center from the RTP. Before adding cement, he will check that the PVC is plumb and that the RTP sleeve is straight, with a 1 degree lean towards the barrier. He will add a little water into the hole and then add rapid set concrete, mixing and adding water to get the correct consistency. Before the cement hardens, he will double check to be sure everything is still in place. Our installer then will drill a hole in the RTP and install an eye-bolt to receive the section latch from the fence. After cutting the PVC to the correct height, he will install the fence and connect it to the RTP. Using the fence as a reference, he will cut the RTP to the correct height and then install the pole cap. Our installer will now cut a notch in the RTP sleeve and install a set screw designed to keep the RTP from spinning. The cut slot will allow your customer to remove the RTP when they take the fence down. The RTP should also be used when making a direction change in dirt or grass. You can also attach a side panel to the RTP using rectangular brackets when dealing with water and electrical lines, keeping you from installing close to the barrier.